In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove scroll animations on your Wix website. Now, whether you're looking to make your site more dynamic or streamline its appearance, customizing scroll animations is a fantastic way to keep your visitors engaged. So let's dive in and transform your website with ease. To start, head over to Wix and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard where all your projects live. Go ahead and select the website you'd like to work on. This will bring you to the Wix editor where the magic happens. Now, in the editor, you have a variety of elements that make up your web pages. These include buttons, pieces of text, or links. Really, anything that can catch the viewer's eye. Scroll animations can be applied to any of these elements, so click on the one you want to modify. For instance, let's say you want to animate a button on your homepage. Click right on that button to highlight it. After selecting your element, direct your attention to the toolbar that appears, where you'll see a button labeled Animation. Click on it. This is where you have the power to add that extra layer of visual interest to your site through animations. Once you've clicked the Animation button, you'll notice an option for Scroll Animations. Scroll animations are particularly effective as they make elements move as visitors scroll down the page, creating an engaging flow. Click on the Scroll option to find a range of animations available for you to use. Now that you're in the Scroll animation settings, you'll have the option to either add or remove animations. If this is your first time adding animations, you'll see a variety of creative choices. These might include fades, slides, or other movement styles that occur as the viewer scrolls through your page. Select the animation style that resonates most with your design vision. Conversely, if you're looking to remove an existing animation, perhaps to simplify your site or change its style, you can easily do so in this menu as well. Simply select None or a similarly named option to remove the current scroll animation effect from your selected element. It's a seamless process to go from animated to static, or vice versa. And there you have it. Once you've made your changes, remember to save your work. If you're satisfied with the results you see in the preview, publish your site to make those changes live for your visitors. Whether adding a touch of flair or opting for a clean, static look, customizing scroll animations on your Wix website can significantly enhance user experience. Take the time to experiment with the different options until you find what truly complements your content. Thanks for tuning in to today's guide. Happy designing!